Welcome learners for the lecture 10 of a linear algebra. Today we are discussing about the unit second, that will be linear transformation and the matrices. In this linear transformation and matrices, we given as a form that will be generated some of the null spaces and ranges of the form. Some linear representation also showing to the transformation in the form, composition of a linear transformation, invertibility and isomorphism. All of this will be connected to the linear transformation with their ranging in the form of the matrices. The change of a coordinate matrix, sum of the dual spaces and homogeneous linear differential equation with the constant coefficient, all of this showing in this form. This is the unit 2 depending on the general form, that is a linear transformation and matrices. Let us go started as a unit second lecture. We are discussing all about the linear transformation, general information about the null spaces and some of the ranges. Let us go started as the first form of this. Okay, linear transformation, null spaces and ranges. What will we say about this form of the equation? You know that V is a vector spaces, but in this form of the linear transformation, two vector spaces will be generated. Let V and W be the vector spaces over the field F. We showing to the function that will be called as a function T to V to W will be generated, a linear transformation from V to W. First of all, we considering to the W. For all x, y is an element of V and C is an element of a function F. We have considering two form that will be generated as a sum statement. Will be considering first is a T, x plus y equals to T. Bracket will be considered x plus y, but T is a common. They multiply both of these function Tx plus Ty in the form. And second, if T will be considered, T means transformation in the form of the linear equation is generating to the form C into x. C is a constant value they considering is a common for a first point, then Tx will be considering. Okay, this all of will be generated as the statement for the linear combination of the transformation. If the underlying field F, that is a field of a rational number, then A is implies to be, but in a general A and B are logically independent of both of these functions, because first point will be considering to the addition and second is considered as a multiplication. Simply we say that the form T is a linear form will be generated in the equation, then T is the property will be showing in the form T to consider as a V2 W in the form generated. Then first point, if T is a linear, then T into 0 equals to 0 will be considered. Second point will be considered, that is a T is a linear if and only if T C x plus y equals to C common multiply T x plus T y. For all x y is an elements of a V and C is an elements of the function F will be generated in this form. Okay, what is the definition and statement of the form? In this form of a linear transformation, two vector spaces will be generated, that is a V and W. They both are depending to the field F. Then if we generated as a function xy is an elements of a V and C is an elements of a function field F. Okay, first point will be considering, that is a T is a linear, is addition of the x plus y. Bracket will be considered T multiply of the both of these function is Tx plus Ty in a separated form. T is a function of a Cx. C is a common because it is a constant form. They multiply only as a Tx in the variable form. Okay, same as a form will be generated of two properties that will be generated. If T is a linear, then T0 equals to 0, and T is a linear if and only if Tcx. If we consider as a C is a constant, C or any value will be constant in this form, they generated as a common. But if we generating as a no any constant form, they multiply of that term in this form. Hence xy is an element of a V and C is an element of a field. Third point, if T is a linear, then Tx minus y equals to, same as a condition will be applied as a plus position as well as a minus, means addition and subtraction form. Tx minus Ty will be considering for all xy is an element of the vector field V. T is a linear if and only if for x, x2 and xn is an element of a V and a1, a2 is a scalar quantity of a function of a field F, we have considered in the form of the formula. We discussing this formula of the function in the unit first lecture will be considering. Okay, then T is a linear summation I equals to 1 to n ai xi. Ai is a scalar quantity and xi considered as a linear form of the vector field, means variable of a vector field. Then ai, this T means a linear, ai is a constant. ai is a constant, the common of this position of the formula summation I equals to 1 to n ai t xi will be generated in this form. Then property second is prove to the given transformation to generating of this form of this formula will be uses. Okay, first point addition, second point multiplication, third point will be considered as a sometime will be 0, fourth point is a subtraction will be generated in both of these condition, and fifth point will be generated if and only if for the T is a linear, then x1 to xn is an elements of a V and a1 to an is an element of the field. Then formula will be multiplied to the linear form of the T. They considering constant quantity will be first of all, then after that T will be multiplied. Then this theorem will be uses, or this principle will be using in this form. Let us go started as an example first. Let us go started as an example that is given to the condition that it is T a1 a2 will be generated in this form. To show that T is a linear, let C is an elements of R and xy is an elements of R2. Then x equals to b1 to b2 and y equals to d1 to d2. Then c x plus y, c will be common. Then what is x, b1 b2. Then c b1 c b2 and d1 d2 will be generated. Then we have to the equation T, the linear condition will be generating both of this form. They generated as a equation that is a 2 common, a1 plus a2 will be generated in this form. a1 a2 will be generating cb1 plus d1 considering to the form in the 2a1. Okay, another form they will be generated as a cb2 plus d2 plus cb1 plus d1 in this form. Okay, same as also to the equation will be generated. Tx means that c common 2 b1 plus b2, b1 will be generated, and ty will be considering 2d1 plus d2 d1. This equation is coming in the form of the example that will be generated to the form, means a common of the equation will be given. Okay, means that 2 is a common c b1 plus c b2 in this form of the equation, multiply in the form same as a b1 will be generated as a form that is a c will be multiplied to d1 plus d2, both of this equation will be common, plus cb1 plus b1 will be d1 will be generated. Because of the constant in c will be connecting to the c, D will be connecting to the D, and B will be connecting to the B. Both of these condition will be generated in this form. Okay, 2 is a common of this equation. 2b1 plus d1 plus cb2 plus d2 cb1 plus d1 will be generated. So T is a linear of this form because of all of this constanting to the form of the equation or generated as a value, that is a first rotation will be considering to the xy axis in this form. First point generated a2, and second point of the gap to generated as a theta, that is a a1 a2 in the T linear in this form. And another point for that rotation will be generated as a point. Okay, what is the reflection of this condition? Reflection a1 a2 generated of the both of this equation of the gap, because of this T0 is generated in the another side of the reflection in this form. And what is the projection? Projection show only as a straight line for getting as a 90-degree angle to T linear a1 a2 equals to a1 minus a2. This is the diagram generated as this equation of the 3 points for the rotation, reflection and projection of the form. Okay, the application of a linear algebra to geometry are wide and varied. The main reason for is that the most important geometrical transformations are linear. Particular transformation considered in the form of the rotation as well as reflection and projection, we proof at the reader for using this for of the proof example will be considered.